Hello and welcome to Computer Science 20S. This is lesson 10, decisions, the if statement, and levels. So after this lesson, you will understand the algorithm for finding the best time and be able to create a second level for your game. So it's not really, I'm not going to really show you any new commands here. Basically, it's going to be sort of a new concept. We're going to have another look at the word algorithm, and you're going to create a second level for your game. So suppose we want to keep track of the total time and also the time for individual balls. We also want our best time for individual balls. In other words, if our current time is better than our best time, then our best time becomes the current time. So that is the algorithm. That's the step. That's the logic behind finding the best time. If our current time is better than our best time. So say, for example, your best time is 5 seconds, and your current time is, you just got a 3 or a 2, make it a 3. You just got a 3. If our current time, if the 3 is better than our best time, then our best time no longer is 5, and it becomes 3. Like so. So that's sort of the steps behind that. So before editing, I want you to immediately save your script as Chase the Ball v3. So you should have opened up Chase the Ball version 2. Immediately save it as Chase the Ball version 3. Once again, the purpose for this, the reason for this is to have a working copy of version 1, a working copy of version 2. If you open version 2 and don't save it until you're done, then if you make any mistakes or do any accidental deletions, then you ruin your copy of version 2 and you have to go back. So immediately save your script as Chase the Ball version 3. So using your lesson 9 assignment to create a new variable that's called best time, and immediately set that to 0. And every time that the ball is caught, compare the current time to the best time. So if the ball time is less than the best time, then set the best time to the ball time. And I think I made myself an error here. Let's see what happens. Yes, I did. If you set your best time to 0, your ball time is never going to be less than 0. So you're going to have to set this, instead of setting it to 0, you're going to have to set it to some large number, maybe 100, 1,000, a million, depending on how long you think is going to work. If you make it too small, then someone may not get there. So make it a nice big number. Levels, I'd like you to make another addition that you can make to your game is a new level. Create a new background for level 2. Create a variable that stores what level you're on, and decide what changes happen in level 2. Maybe, here's some examples, maybe more than one ball to chase. Maybe there's something evil ball or monster also chasing you. Maybe the balls move faster. That kind of thing. You guys have played way more games than me. I'm sure you have some great ideas. I'd like you to edit the game so that when you've caught all the balls for level 1, a broadcast is sent out, the level changes to level 2. You should add a script for the new background, and the new level will start. Okay, so this is your final hand. Here's the rubric for this. The game has a second level that is something different from level 1, uses a broadcast, and has a variable that stores it. That's worth 5 marks. And the game keeps track of best time with an appropriately named variable, and there'll be more marks again for the use of comments, for a total of 12 marks for this particular assignment. Good luck with that.